What if the smartest beings in the ocean aren't dolphins or whales, but the majestic, graceful manta rays? The ocean is a mysterious realm brimming with wonders and fascinating creatures. Among these remarkable beings, one fish stands out for its impressive intelligence: the manta ray. With its elegant wing-like fins and majestic presence, the manta ray is not only a visual marvel, but also a master of cognitive skills and social structures. Let's dive deeper into why the manta ray is considered the smartest fish in the world. Manta rays boast the largest brain of any fish, proportionally to their body size. This exceptional brain allows mantas to learn, remember, and solve problems at a high level. Comparing the brain of a manta ray to that of other fish is like placing a supercomputer next to a simple calculator. Manta rays can analyze and understand complex situations, giving them a significant advantage in their underwater world. While most fish make simple, instinctive decisions, mantas go a step further. They appear to consider various scenarios before making a decision, indicating a deeper form of awareness and intelligence. This refined decision-making suggests that mantas are not merely reacting to their environment, but are actually thinking about their actions. One of the most fascinating discoveries about mantas is their ability to recognize themselves. Studies where mantas were exposed to mirrors showed that they are aware of their own reflection. They displayed behaviors such as examining their bodies and performing unusual movements to explore their reflections. This kind of behavior, where an animal realizes it is looking at itself, is extremely rare and is shown by only a handful of species, including dolphins, elephants, and some great apes. Imagine seeing your reflection for the first time. The way you explore your own face and recognize it as your reflection is an indication of self-awareness. Mantas seem to have a similar experience in the ocean. Manta rays are not just intelligent individuals, they are also part of advanced social networks. They exhibit complex social behaviors that go beyond simple interactions. Mantas can hunt together, gather in large groups, and even display signs of play. This playful behavior, such as performing intricate swimming maneuvers or moving in sync with each other, indicates a level of social intelligence rarely seen in the underwater world. Just as humans bond by playing sports or games together, mantas exhibit social behaviors that help them form bonds and understand their position within the group. Picture a manta finding a clever way to retrieve food from a difficult-to-reach spot. This kind of creative problem-solving illustrates how their brain works on a level that goes beyond basic survival skills. Although it may not be expected from a fish, mantas are adept at problem-solving. Observations show that they find innovative ways to deal with obstacles or discover new sources of food. This demonstrates that mantas can learn from their environment and respond flexibly to new challenges, something that goes beyond instinctive behavior. Think of a manta devising an ingenious method to get food from a hard-to-reach place. This type of creative problem-solving shows how their brain functions beyond basic survival skills. Mantas communicate through a combination of body language and movements. This nonverbal communication allows them to convey information and coordinate with each other without making sounds. This type of communication can range from simple signals to complex maneuvers meant to warn other mantas of danger or guide them to food sources. Just as dancers can tell a story through their movements, mantas communicate important messages through their graceful swimming maneuvers. While mantas hold the title of the smartest fish, there are other fish species that exhibit remarkable intelligence as well. Pufferfish, Tetraodontidae. Known for their ability to use tools and manipulate their environment, they show an impressive level of adaptability and learning. Eels, Anguilliformes. Eels are noted for their excellent navigation skills and survival strategies in complex environments. The manta ray shines not only for its impressive size and graceful movements, but also for its remarkable intelligence. With their large brains, self-recognition, advanced social behaviors, innovative problem-solving, and effective communication, mantas set the standard for what we understand about fish intelligence. These knights of the sea prove that the deep waters harbor a world of awareness and complexity that rivals the intelligence of many land animals. So the next time you see a manta, whether in the wild or in a nature documentary, remember that you are looking at one of the ocean's smartest creatures, a mastermind cloaked in the beauty of the sea. Thank you for watching. If you found this video interesting, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment to tell us what you found most fascinating about mantas. Until next time.